I've done a course from Digital Vidya, so it helped me a lot. Hello, my name is Abhishek Shetty. I am from Mumbai. So I have found this digital marketing course very useful, and I have finished my examination just now. Actually, I am working with my dad. We have a couple of hotels in Mumbai, so I'm working with them. So digital marketing was actually my sister was into SEM, so she was managing all the ads of many companies out there in Singapore. So she actually wanted me to go into this stream, and I also had a interest. Like I used to do Instagram ads and everything. I used to do from before, so I thought that just let's give it a try and give it a like. My aunt was also doing this course. Her name is Aarti. So she has also finished her course from Digital Vidya itself. So she recommended me to join this course, and she was like, everything in this course is related to marketing only, and you can have a brief idea of everything. Yes, 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 yes. Obviously, it helped me a lot, like in the web analytics lectures, everything. So from building a website to having its data, and where do you store it, and from what do you do with that data, everything has been taught in the lectures properly. So yeah, I feel this will surely help me in the future. Obviously, if anyone who asks me, like, whoever asks me, like, people who have seen my skills, are like, who knows, like, I know to do SEO, I know something about ads, I know everything about Instagram, everything. So they ask me, how do you have this much knowledge about this all? So I tell them, ki, yeah, I've done a course from Digital Vidya, so it helped me a lot.